Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to set favorite contact ringtone. If you're using any phone and you want to set your favorite contact ringtone, so let's see how can you do that. You have to simply open your phone call app and here select the contact for which you want to set your ringtone, or in my case I'm going to select this one. Just tap on that, then tap on this info icon, and from here just tap on three dot in the bottom right corner and then select change ringtone or vibration. Tap on option, then select ringtone, and you'll get different ringtones on your phone. You must have to select which you want to set as your ringtone for the specific contact. For example, I'm going to select this one and just select that ringtone, or you can easily select which one you want to set. And once you have selected, just go back and the ringtone will be successfully set. So in this way, you can easily set favorite contact ringtone in any phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.